Hi, mighty boy. Hey, buddy. There's our 10-month-old Midas. And I wanted to give a tour of his little room today. He is a Bengal, and you can see that by the cool markings. And Bengals, if you own one, you know they like to climb. So that's a good thing to know if you're going to get one. You need to give them nice places to climb, and I fixed his room up with cool things he can jump on. He's got a little area up here. He's got this, we call his cave. He can hang out when he doesn't want to see us. He's got fun stuff in this closet. He's got his little cat box and his window. He loves to hang out here and look outside. And he's got another view from up here. I got a shelf up here he jumps to. And let's see, this is basically its own room, and then this little thing he can hang out on. Whoops, I almost stepped on you, sorry mighty. And then he jumps from there over to here. And he has a good time in here when we're out. So yeah, you gotta think of cool things to let them climb on, and so they have fun and they don't get bored, and then you have a happy Bengal cat.